In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Zoho Payroll account. Now, this process might seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry. I'm here to walk you through it step by step, ensuring you have a smooth and straightforward experience. So, let's dive right in. First, we start by accessing the Zoho Payroll dashboard. This is your main hub for managing all aspects of your account. You'll want to look towards the top right corner of your screen. There, you should spot the profile or user icon. It might be represented by your initials or an icon indicating the user account, depending on your settings. Once you've found and clicked on your profile icon, a small menu will appear. Here, you'll want to locate and click on My Account. By doing so, you'll be taken to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your Zoho account, not just related to payroll, but more comprehensive settings as well. Now, once you're on the My Account page, the next thing you'll want to do is find the Settings drop-down menu. This is where you'll be able to access various account management options. Look carefully through the available options in this drop-down until you find the one labeled Close Account. Selecting Close Account is a significant step. It's important to know that this is the point of no return for your Zoho Payroll account. Closing your account will permanently delete all data associated with your account, so ensure that you have backed up any information you might need in the future before proceeding. Now, once you're sure you want to proceed, click on Close Account. Depending on Zoho's current policies, you might be prompted to provide a reason for closing your account. This feedback helps them understand why customers leave and potentially improve their services. After confirming your decision, the process may ask for your account password as a final verification step to ensure the security of the account closure process. Make sure you have this information handy before starting the process. Once you have confirmed and entered any necessary information, the process will be completed, and your Zoho Payroll account will be closed. It's always a good practice to double-check for a final confirmation message, either on-screen or via email, to ensure that the closure has been processed successfully. And that's it. You've successfully walked through the process of deleting your Zoho Payroll account. Remember, every step in this process is crucial to ensuring your account is closed securely and that you're making informed decisions about your data. Thanks for watching. And if you have any more questions about managing your Zoho services, feel free to check out our other tutorials.